like how he went around and didn't try to
force it.
He's going to have a fight.
I hope he has plenty of gas.
Got a little tip collapse there.
Did he? Ground speed slow, so
there you go. There you go.
it's all right.
There we go. Oh yeah.
Nice. Good job.